welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the solution part of this problem, that is average average in the average of the levels in a binary tree. Okay, average of the levels in a binary tree. So so we have already seen the description part of this problem, that what the problem statement was trying to tell us in the previous video. So in this video we are going to deal with the solution, the approach that we are going to use in order to solve this problem. Okay, so first we are going to create a queue, basically, which will store the level order traversal. Okay, which we will use to store the level order traversal of this binary tree. Okay, so what we are going to do is we will create a queue. We will add a root node. In this case it is going to be 7. Okay, then we will add a null. Okay, so the element in the queue will shift, so 7 will come here and null will come here. Okay, null will come here. So while we are using null, we are going to use it as a separator, so it will separate the various levels. Okay, it will mark basically the end of a level, and then we will create an average list, which we are going to use it in order to store the average of the levels, average values of at a particular level. So suppose 7 is here, so that node value divided by the total number of nodes will be 7 in this at 0th level, basically. Okay, so that we are going to use. And okay, so apart from that, while the peak is not equal to null, so we are going to use the peak function. It will check the beginning of the queue, that whether it is equal to null or not. So it is not, since 7 we have. So what it is going to do is it is going to initialize the sum equal to 0 and node, basically the number of nodes at that level is equal to 0. And while it is not equal to the same thing, while this the starting value is not equal to null, we are going to use the poll function. So what the poll function does is it deletes the top, basically it is my person. So it deletes the top value and displays it. Okay, so we are going to use the poll function, so 7 will get deleted. Okay, 7 will get deleted, and sum will be equal to node value. So sum will get equal to 7, and node will get incremented by 1. So it tells that one one node is present at that level. Okay, now followed by that we are going to add left values and the right values. So left value is 5 and the right value is 6, so they will get added to the queue. Okay, so we will shift the elements, so this will become null. Okay, this will become 5, left value first, then right value. Now we are going to do what? We are going to use the poll function, and poll function basically what it does, it removes the top value, it deletes the top values and displays it. Poll will use the poll function, add the top value to the last of the queue. So what it will do, it will remove the null and it will add it to the last. So now what the queue will look like is somewhat this. Okay, it will look like 5 comma 6 comma means, yeah, like that it will look like. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put the values in the average list that we have created. So it will be sum which is equal to 7 here, and the node value is 1, so 7 will get inserted in our array list. Okay, now this while loop will again run. So what it will check, that while the peak is not equal to null, so it is not equal to null because we have 5 and 6. What it will do is it will again, till the time it is not equal to null, it will all the values. So 5 will get removed, 6 will get removed, and some will be incremented by some will become what, 5 plus 6, and the node will become what, since two values are added, so it will become 2. Okay, the same thing will go on. Then we will add the left and the right values. 3 and 4 will get added. In a similar manner, we'll use the pole function. Null value will get, at the back of the queue. And what we are going to do, we are going to, in the average list, we are going to add the sum divided by node. That is 11 divided by 2 will get added. That is somewhat, what it is, 5.5 will get added. Again, we will do and follow this process repeatedly. So we will get all the values. What we will basically get, we'll get the average at every level of a binary tree. So it will become 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5, and then 1.5. So yeah, so this was the approach that we are going to use in order to solve this problem. Okay, now we will code this problem.